Hey WPA artists, did you know that there are steps to making art? Let's check them out. We call these steps the design process. And artists of all kinds, whether they're using a pencil, a paintbrush, a computer, a camera, or digital tools, go through these steps to make awesome art. And so will we this year. So let's explore these steps a little more in depth. Here they are, design process steps. What's the first thing that you do when you want to make art? We call this the wonder step. This is where we can ask questions, explore lots of things to get inspiration. Maybe we're looking at other artwork or going on an experience or even just a walk or a scavenger hunt or looking around our very own home. And then this is also where we empathize. Do you know what empathize means? It means trying to feel what other people feel, what other people experience. And the I can statement for this is I can wonder about art to get inspired. So you might ask, what is art? Explore different types of art or look at what other artists have made. After that, although it doesn't always happen in the same order, but often after that, we move to the planning stage. We take that wonder and that inspiration and we start to research, look at how we might go about doing this project or brainstorming or sketching in our sketchbooks. And the I can statement is I can come up with great ideas for planning, right? So we might research other artists and work in our sketchbooks. And we'll do lots of that this year, lots of planning. A lot of artists will do planning before they just jump into the next stage, which is developing. And this is where we experiment, right? We try new things, we play with our tools, we practice, we create, we solve problems, and we really work on our skills. And this is where we make art. So the I can statement is I can develop and refine my art skills over time, right? Art is not something that happens overnight, it happens over time. And after developing, you might think, well, I've created the art, now I'm done. But there's another step in the design process that artists go through, and that's reflecting. That's where we present and share our work to others and critique it, where we might reflect on our art and our process. So, critique is a process where we talk about our art and what we learned from it and what we can share and help others with. So, we'll be doing critiques in class as well. And then we might revise something, change something, right? Or repeat it, decide, boy, this one piece of this, I really like this. I'm going to do a whole nother piece just trying this one technique. And the biggest thing that we should remember on the I can statement is I can reflect on my work to grow. If you look at this picture here, this is the same artist 13 years apart. They grew in their artwork, and so do we. So there you have it. Those are the design process steps. And you will see these symbols attached to them and these steps embedded in our project intros throughout the year. Now go get creating.